Hi guys, today's Leetcode daily is count subarrays of length 3 with a condition. So we are given an integer array nums. Now we have to return total number of subarrays of length possible in which the sum of first and third element is equal to exactly half of the second number. Like now we'll see examples so that we can better understand this question. Like here this is nums array. Now if we take this subarray 1 4 1, here sum of first and third element is equal to 2, which is exactly half of 4 4 by 2 equal to 2. So there is one valid subarray present which satisfies the condition. So we'll return 1 as our answer. Now we'll see approach. So we'll simply start traversing in array from second index. Now suppose the current index is I. So this I will act as the rightmost index for the subarray and I minus 2 will act as the leftmost index for the subarray because the subarray is of 3 length. Now we'll see if the current subarray satisfies the condition, that is nums of I plus nums of I minus 2 into 2 equal to nums of I minus 1. Then we'll just increment our answer and at last we'll return our answer. Here, like even though the condition is given that nums of I plus nums of I minus 2 should be equal to nums of I minus 1 by 2, but we are taking this 2 in the left hand side and multiplying it. This we are doing because if we do like for any odd number by 2, like 5 by 2, it will also be equal to 2, and if we do for 4 by 2, then also it will be equal to 2. So like if we take example of subarray 1 4 1, then it is a valid subarray because 1 plus 1 equal to 2 and 4 by 2 equal to 2. But if we take subarray 1 5 1, then also it will give 1 plus 1 2, and if we do 5 by 2 it will be also equal to 2, but this is not valid subarray. So if we do 2 nums of I minus 1 divided by 2, then we'll also count invalid subarrays. So to avoid this condition, we are just taking 2 to the left hand side and multiplying. In this way, it will only give correct answer when it satisfies the condition. Now we'll see code. So here we are initializing n with nums size and initially our answer is 0. Now we are just traversing in nums vector from I equal to 2. Now for every iteration, the ith index will act as rightmost index for the current subarray and I minus 2th index will act as leftmost index for the current subarray because we are only interested in subarrays of length 3. So for every subarray, we are seeing whether it satisfies the condition or not. If the subarray satisfies the condition, then we are just incrementing our answer. And after all the iterations are done, our answer will contain the count of valid subarrays that satisfies the condition. So we will return answer. Now, if we talk about time complexity, then we are just traversing from 2 to n minus 1. So here time complexity is we go of n. If we talk about space complexity, then we are not using any extra data structure array or vector. So our space complexity is constant, that is we go of 1.